Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet. The SPASEEBA T605 is a compact and versatile graphics tablet designed for digital artists, students, and OSU gamers. With a 6.7 x 4-inch active area, it offers a balance between portability and workspace, making it suitable for both home and on-the-go use. Equipped with an 8192 level pressure-sensitive stylus, the T605 provides precise input, enhancing the drawing experience. The stylus supports plus or minus 60 degrees tilt recognition, allowing for varied line thickness and shading, mimicking traditional drawing tools. Additionally, the tablet features 6 customizable express keys, enabling quick access to shortcuts and improving workflow efficiency. The T605 is compatible with Windows XP 7, 8, 10, macOS 11.0 or above, and Android 5.0 or higher, with OTG support, making it versatile across different platforms. It supports various popular applications, including Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, and more, catering to a wide range of creative needs. Designed with portability in mind, the T605 is ultra-thin and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. Its sleek design and responsive features make it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore digital art and design. Number 2. HUION KAMVAS 22 Plus. The HUION KAMVAS 22 Plus is a 21.5-inch QLED drawing tablet designed for digital artists and designers seeking a high-quality pen display. Featuring a full laminated screen with anti-glare glass, it offers a seamless drawing experience with reduced parallax. The tablet boasts a wide color gamut of 140% sRGB, providing vibrant and accurate colors for detailed artwork. Equipped with the PW517 stylus utilizing Pentec 3.0 technology, the KAMVAS 22 Plus offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt recognition, ensuring precise and responsive input. The adjustable stand allows for ergonomic positioning, enhancing comfort during extended drawing sessions. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android devices, the KAMVAS 22 Plus supports various creative applications, making it a versatile tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Its USB-C connectivity ensures a stable and fast connection, streamlining the workflow for digital artists. Number 3. HUION KAMVAS Pro. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 13, 2.5K, is a compact yet powerful pen display tablet designed for digital artists and designers seeking high-resolution clarity and vibrant color accuracy. Featuring a 13.3-inch QHD+, 2560 by 1600 IPS screen with quantum dot technology, it delivers 145% sRGB color gamut coverage and a high contrast ratio of 1200:1, ensuring true-to-life colors and smooth gradation. The tablet is equipped with the PW517 stylus, offering 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt recognition, providing a natural and responsive drawing experience. Its full laminated anti-glare glass reduces parallax, enhancing precision and comfort during extended use. Designed for portability, the KAMVAS Pro 13 weighs just 910 g and features a slim aluminum alloy body, making it easy to carry for on-the-go creativity. It includes 7 customizable express keys and a responsive touch bar to streamline your workflow. Number 4. XPPen Artist Pro 16. The XPPen Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is a premium 16-inch pen display tablet designed for professional digital artists and illustrators. It features a 2.5K QHD, 2560 by 1600, resolution display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, offering a spacious and detailed workspace. The screen utilizes full lamination technology with an anti-glare etched glass surface, minimizing parallax and providing a paper-like drawing experience. Equipped with the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, the Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, boasts an impressive 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, enabling ultra-precise and responsive input. The stylus also supports plus or minus 60 degrees tilt recognition and comes with 2 customizable buttons and a digital eraser, enhancing workflow efficiency. For added convenience, the tablet includes a wireless shortcut remote with 10 programmable buttons and a rotating jog dial, allowing users to assign frequently used functions and commands for quick access. The Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, via USB 3.1 DP 1.2, and Chrome OS 88 or later, making it versatile across various platforms. Number 5. GAOMON S620 Digital Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a compact and affordable graphics tablet designed for digital artists, illustrators, and gamers. With a 6.5x 4-inch active area, it offers a comfortable workspace for sketching, painting, and playing rhythm games like OSU. The tablet features a battery-free stylus with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring precise and responsive input. Its slim profile, only 8 mm thick, and lightweight design make it highly portable, ideal for on-the-go creativity. Equipped with 4 customizable express keys, the S620 allows users to streamline their workflow by assigning frequently used shortcuts. It boasts a report rate of 266 RPS and a pen resolution of 5080 LPI, providing smooth and accurate tracking. The tablet is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android devices, making it versatile for various applications, including digital art, note-taking, and online teaching.